Charlie, go! Good basket. There you go. Get it, get it. It's gonna roll away. There it is. Hold on to it. You guys getting tired? Jack's got the ball now. Oh, he's rolling the ball to Charlie. Can you roll it back to Jack? Woo! Jack's gonna go shoot. Yay! There you go. Charlie's gonna go shoot too. Go shoot! Yay! All right, Charlie. Go on. Oh, Jack's going in circles. Ah, fall down. So you should get a rest in the grass. Fall down. It's a very hot day, so the grass must feel good. Nice and shady over there. Jack, go get Charlie. Oh, you got him! Oh, Charlie got Jack now! Oh, gentle with those feet. Oh, and Sadie's rolling all over the place too. Everyone's rolling in the grass. Uh-oh, Charlie's getting into wrestling mode. What happened? Charlie does his signature move. He grabs Jack by the back of his t-shirt and pulls him down. Run, Jack, run! Uh-oh, he's got him. Whoa! Fall down. Can you say bye-bye, camera? Say bye-bye. Blow the kiss. Go, mwah. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Watch out, Jack. Oh, no.